Yes, yes, yes. This is Big Ben. This is Big Ben. Welcome to my stream. Welcome to my live stream. I'm live. If you are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Big Ben. I'm a basically I'm a professional trader, and I'm a professional investor. And I day trade Monday through Friday, and I swing trade the crypto market. Okay, on my channel, I just focus on the chart because to me, that's how you really make money. Everything that you need to know is on the charts. We pretty much this whole year it's just been a bear market, and me and my subscribers been making money on the downside. So if that's something that you want to look at or learn, definitely check this out. And I'll put you on the right track because right now it's just everything is going down. Let's see what's going on so far. Actually, if you are watching this live stream, you can go to the settings, speed, and maybe hit 1.5 or 2, and you can actually speed up the time. So during this live stream, I'm not giving nobody financial advice. This is entertainment only. And so let's get this party started, okay? Let's get this party started. Let's see if I see anybody here. What's going on, Dom? What's going on, Tim? What's going on, Mason? Mason, you was on vacation. Good to see you back, Mason. What's going on, Triforce? What's going on, businessman? What's going on, everybody? Thanks for a lot for coming through, Johnny. Okay. Thanks for everybody for coming through. I'm gonna let more people. I guess I'll wait for more people to come through. So far, what we have here is a nice little pop. Okay, we finally got that pop that I thought we was gonna get, because remember I said right here I thought the market was going to pop up and test these highs, okay, but it didn't do it. So we went down. It was looking weak. We finally get that pop. So a couple of things can happen right now. Right now, Bitcoin, the market cap is at 271. Let's refresh that. Make sure. Okay, it's at 272. Everybody's happy right now. Everybody's feeling good about the market. Everybody's feeling good about the market. The market looks good, right? Everything is up. Everything is up, guys. Let's see. Let's look at Bitcoin volume. Let's see what's going on over there. And shout out to everybody that's here. Glenn, Mr. Hall, Mr. Ace, Chris, Abu, what's going on, guys? Ben, was it Ben Lee, what's going on? Let's get this crypto. Okay, so let's see let's see what's going on with the volume. Okay, not much, but 2 billion, 3 billion. I think today was like 4 billion. So, still low. Okay. So someone said that this was unexpected. Well, to me, right here, I thought this was what we seeing right here. I thought it was going to happen right here. Okay. So, I kind of figured that they was trying to at least test the high. Right, so a couple of things can happen right now. Let's see if I see anybody. What's going on, Buddy? What's going on, G Slick? GG. Couldn't wait for the live stream tonight. I hear you, man. What's going on, Paul? So shout out to everybody that's here. I'm glad to see everybody here. I'm glad to see any newcomers. Thanks a lot for coming through. So basically, guys, what we have here is, inverse head and shoulder, okay? We also have support right here on the daily chart, which is holding up the market a little bit right here. Okay, we have this inverse head and shoulders. But at the same time, okay, if you understand how the market was doing in the past, every time we have these spikes, a lot of time it doesn't last. Okay, so right now a couple of things can happen. We could get a double top here. We get a double top, and we go down, or so let's do that double top. We might get a double top here and go right back down, or we can go up, okay, and maybe play around with the 7,000 level and then go down, or we might just shoot up and go to this resistance level, which is around 77, 78, and it's lining up perfectly with the trend line, and then reverse. Okay, so that's my my thinking right now. 77 to me is still hard for me to see it, even though this bar does look real bullish. But what I'm thinking is maybe they want to keep this market up until that August 10th news. You know, maybe a situation like, you know, buy the rumor, sell the news type of situation. So we'll see. But overall, yes, guys, overall, this is still bullish, okay? Still bullish. We have a lot of resistance going on. I'm sorry, guys. Overall, this is still bearish, okay? Overall, the market is still bearish. We have a lot of resistance going on. That 300K, the 300 billion market cap is still a resistance. So we still have to hit that. But overall, we in a bear market, like I said. If we hit the 77 level, it doesn't matter. For me to turn bullish, I told you guys already. For me to turn bullish, we got to go to the 10,000 level, okay? And not only go to it, we got to hold this level, okay? Let's hold this level and break up. But me personally, I don't see that happening in the bear market, and especially not only a bear market, a market that is just right now the government is knocking on the doors right now, so I don't see that happening. This market is going to 20K. So let's see if I see any questions before I get this. Before I go, actually, before I even talk about any more, let me see. Let me see if I see anybody. Okay, let's see what's going on. Big Dom in the house. What's going on, Big Dom? I'm chilling. A said, "What's up, Ben? Could this be a market rally?" This is just a pullback. That's all. Let me see if I see any questions. What's going on, guys? Good to see you. Tim said, "Gotta break that. Gotta break and hold 7,000." Yeah. A said, "It's still in the bear market." Of course, yes. You said until the Mike said until that ETF. Yeah. So like I said, what I'm thinking what's going to happen is probably they're going to try to keep this market up until that news. They don't have to, but that's that's something that you have to keep in mind. We can actually make a double top here, even though this bar looks real bullish right now. We can make a double top right here. And then continue to go down, or they just swarm around until August 10th, and they go right back down. So we'll see. Like I said, we'll see. Because notice the patterns that was going on with this stuff. I think they do. honestly, I think they do want to break this level, the 68 level. I think they do want to break it, but we'll see. Let's see if I see any questions. BTC pull out the same thing. Yeah, you're right, Paul. BTC pulled the same thing in 2014 when we had that bear market. They had we had that triple bottom. We went up. We actually hit the triangle, and then we broke the triangle. Then we made a double top and went down. Honestly, what we did in 2014, though, I don't think we're going to do it this year. Meaning, I don't think we're going to go that high, because in 2014, before we went back down, we went up pretty high. We went up pretty high. I don't think we're going to go up that high this time. G Slick said, any more vids to show, Ben? I think I'm gonna show one vid today. Not just give me a second. But it's gonna be a short clip. What's going on, Keith? Yeah, today was a busy day for me. It was a busy day. I hope you had a good day though. Triforce said, are you going to do another course like for day trading? I might do a stock market course only for day trading. I might. I can't guarantee you. All right, let's see. Let's see if I see any more questions, guys. So Chris said, anybody in the chat room bought the course? Do you recommend it for beginner investors? So if anybody want to answer Chris, go ahead. Because like I said, you know, I can say anything, and Chris don't have to believe me. But you know, anybody that bought the course, you can definitely answer Chris if you want to. I think Glenn answered him already. He said yes. I recommended Chris. So Chris, if you want to get it with the discount, that's up to you. Just let me know. Let me see if I see anything. Mike said it's more than just news this time. This market is a beast mode no one has seen before. So Mike, you think this is the bottom, Mike? So Mike, you think this is the bottom? Yeah, right now I'm just waiting. But if I do see a potential double top, maybe I take a short, you know, a small position. How do I invest 2K at this time? So Henry, do you have my course, Henry? Are you new to my channel? Henry said, how do I invest 2K at this time? Henry, do you have this course? And are you new to my channel, Henry? Please let me know. Because Henry, we are making money over here, Henry. I know a lot of people that on YouTube think that the only way to make money is to sit and wait and put your hands on your butt. But over here, Henry, we are making money right now. We've been making money ever since last month. So let me know, Henry, if you're new to the channel. Let me see. You said, Kenneth said, what's going to happen in August 10th? I don't know. They said something about some stupid ETFs. Chris said, I'm really interested in investing. I'm going to get it. So Chris, do you want to get the discount or do you want to pay the regular price, Chris? Because right now, Chris, right now is at the regular price. So let me know if you want the regular price or you want the discount. So I'm reading these questions, guys. Let me see what's going on. Mr. Hall said he's practically giving away for 110. Exactly. That's pretty much what I'm doing. Sam said discount, please. So shout out to everybody that's here. If you are new to my channel, the course that they're talking about right now is the crypto profit grabber. Okay. Basically, this course came out like a month and a half ago, almost 2 months. So it's a new course. And it will show you how to make money right now, basically in the bull market and the bear market. This is why a lot of people on this live stream is telling people that this is a good course. Okay. So if you don't have this course, that's definitely something that you should get. A couple of people said they want me the discount. So let's get this over with. So I'll go back to the charts and questions. So right now I'm giving out the discount and I'm gonna copy and paste the link to the chat room. So I'm gonna copy and paste the link to the chat room for the people that don't have it. So I just copy and paste it. And if you are new to my channel, if you don't know what this is about, it just pretty much shows you how to be a professional trader. You know, that's it. If you just only know about hodling, then this course will literally change your mind, right? Not change your mind, but literally change your whole investing career. Okay, it will put you in the next level. Okay, it will put you to the next. It will actually get you to the next level, so you don't have to suffer waiting for the market to turn bullish. Okay. We've been trying to turn bullish for 7 months straight, and people think that this inverse head and shoulder is it right here. Okay, and I'm here to tell you, I've been doing this for 10 years plus. I'm here to tell you that, guys, it's not this easy. So this right here that you see right here, this inverse head and shoulder, man, listen. I can almost guarantee you, man. I'm not going to say nothing, but, you know, like I said, I'm not giving nobody financial advice. But that right there is most likely going to be a flop, okay? The same way they basically tricked you in February when we went up right here. Same way they tricked you right here, okay? I think this was, what, April? We went up right here. And the same way they've been tricking you with these little pullbacks. So, like I said, if you want to learn how to be a professional, this is the courses for you. If you have any questions, let me know. I definitely will answer all your questions. But if you live in the United States, you can short. If you have a 9-to-5, you can make this money. It's not about sitting on day trading. It's about swing trading, which is holding maybe for a day or two. We deal with the long-term charts. Okay, I have a boatload of testimonials. You can go read them. These are testimonials from my live stream. Okay, people's making money. People are making money. Okay, my top student made $21,000 within a week, and I don't know any place or any college can actually do that for you. So let's go back to the chart. If you don't have this, like I said, when I get off this live stream, it's going right back to 210. So let's go back to the charts and some questions. If you have any questions, let me know. Let's see if I see. Sorry, joined late. Thinking. So Chris, Chak just picked it up. So Chris, guys, thank you, Chris. Shout out to Chris supporting the channel. Okay, shout out to Chris. Chris just got this course. Chris just got the course, and now he wants to learn how to be a professional. Not get, because what's going on right now in front of your face. Most people don't understand what's going on right in front of your face. Is most people, the reason why they can't do this full time is they get hyped too quick. Okay, people get hyped too quick. They really don't understand what's going on, so they get caught up with the hype, and then, but actually before I started the stream, I saw another guy talking about 280K Bitcoin. 280K Bitcoin, okay? And if you go on YouTube, of course, you're gonna see a lot of people, they happy right now, and I'm not gonna tell people not to be happy. You can be happy. I'm cool with that. I'm just saying that I take this serious. This is what I do full time. I take this real serious, okay? This is what I do full time, and basically, I understand what's going on right now. And a lot of people just can't understand what's going on. When they see pullbacks, automatically they think pullbacks is a reversal, and they think pullbacks is some type of uptrend. Okay, and that's, to me, that's a person that really doesn't know how to read the market. They're not a professional yet. Okay, they get hyped, they get easily, they can get tricked real quick when you see these pullbacks, because they don't understand how the market works. And then you have the YouTubers that don't do this for a living, and they just here for views. So automatically, you can get confused real quick. So let's see if I see any questions before I go to the charts. Let's see what's going on with Ethereum. Okay, so everything looks pretty good right now. Okay, so what we could see is what we can see, maybe a break of this, and this could be a resistance area right here. Okay, this could be a resistance area right here, maybe, or we might not even make it there. We might have a double top right here. Right, we might have a double top right here, and then go right back down. So let's see if I see any questions. Let's see what's going on with Litecoin. Same thing. Everybody's same thing. So let's go up. Let's see if I see any questions. Shout out to Chris though, guys. Chris support the channel, and he actually got this course. And Chris actually wants to learn how to become a professional. So shout out to Chris. Let me hit that ching button for him. Shout out to him. He understands that we are making this money over here. And basically, this is how it goes. So let's see if... So Tim said, see guys right here, okay, if you thought I was joking, Tim said I'm up today, $200, and pay for the course $110. So basically, what he's trying to say is he doubled his investment. Okay, Tim said he doubled his investment. He bought the course for $110, and he said he made $200 today. So shout out to Tim making his money. Let's see if I see any more questions. So Cody said, Ben, if you had 5,000 right now to invest, in what coins would you invest in right now, and how much? Cody, I wouldn't invest in no coins right now, Cody. Right now we in a bear market, and I don't believe going against the major trend, Cody. Shout out to Cody. I don't believe going against the major trend, and right now the trend is down. So me personally, I wouldn't buy any coins. I would take that $5 grand, and I would basically look for to make money on a downside, because to me it's more money on the downside. I believe we have more downsides, you know, more we have more room to go down. Okay, so let's see if I see any more questions. So O1 said, sorry, joined late. You think that this is a bear trap and I'm not buying, and then not a buying opportunity? Definitely going to get the course at some point. O1, yes, I think this is a bear trap. Can this go higher? Yes, O1, it can go higher. Okay, we have a resistance area at 77. Will it hit there? Will it go there? Me personally, I don't know. You know, to me, the market is so weak. You know, I mean, anything is possible, though. Anything is possible. I think they do want to. I think they do want to break that 68 level, though. I do believe that. It looks like they do want to break it, but we'll see. Just because they break the 68 level doesn't mean anything. Actually, when they break it, we have to see how the market reacts to that level, because it can only go up just a little bit in reverse. Okay, so just because we broke the 68 level doesn't mean anything, because we can just break it a little bit and just go right back down. Okay, let's go back. Let's see if I see anything. Shout out to A, said he have 1K ready for the next market short. After this pullback reverse that, I'm going to split 10 coins. I'm looking at Jeff. Just, yeah, I think the next short is going to be very profitable for a lot of people. I think the next short is going to be very, very profitable for the next, you know, for the next, for a lot. I mean, for a lot of people. So let me see what's going on. What's going on, Mr. Sandy? Sandy said, yes, this course made me a better trader. Shout out to him. He said, hop on it. Shout out to Mr. Sandy. Hey, what's going on, 45? If and 45 said, if and when the market gets bullish, been still here dropping that knowledge, still selling the course because it covers bearish. And but yeah, exactly, guys. So for you guys that's new to my channel, 45 said it, you know, he said it the best. Okay, basically, if the market turned bullish, this course would show you how to make this money. People think I'm a bear. I'm not a bear, guys. I'm a professional. Okay, so if this market turned bullish, I'm not going to sit here and say, guys, I'm going to keep on shorting the market. No, I will never do something like that. I'm making money where the real players, okay, if the real players is pushing this bad boy up, then I'm going along with them. But right now they pushing this bad boy down. You know, we haven't even, you know, we didn't even go to 7,000 yet. When the last time we went to 7,000? Let's actually look at the chart real quick. Okay, let me see. We dropped here. So the last time was, let me see, last month. It was in June, like June 9th. Okay. So we didn't hit 7,000 in a long time. Every time that we try to go to 7,000, there's a lot of resistance. You know, this is why a lot of people get fooled. They don't treat this like a business. They just want to buy just because they're seeing green bars. Just because they're seeing green bars, they think automatically this is a reversal. Playing reversals is a really dangerous thing. So let's see if I see any more questions. Yeah, smash the like, guys. If you are in this channel, on this live stream, you can smash these likes. So let's see if I see. You said Tether moved to 71 million. Let me see. I even checked Tether. And if you are new to my channel, welcome. If you have any questions, if you are new and you have any questions, let me know. I will get to it. Yeah, Tether, yeah. 7,100. You said 71 million on what? Let me see if I see any more questions. You said Dom said finger crossed BTC will hit 74 so I can take my profits from the altcoins. I hear you, man. So Dom want to take some profits when it's going up. I hear you. Yeah, that next short is gonna be probably gonna make a lot of people money. Tony said, "Hey, Big Ben, what is BTC volume right now? Is that I think it's at like 4 billion, I believe. 4 billion. That's still low though. That's still low. Shout out to Tony. I'm reading his comments right now. And thanks guys for coming through. Thanks for coming through on my for my, you know, just hanging out with me tonight. I'm reading these comments. Honestly, I can't believe this coin is still in the market. What coin you talking about? What coin you talking about, Dom? Tim said, I just started, but my understanding how to short Bitcoin, I'm in the United States. What is the best exchange to go short, margin, blah, blah, blah. Tim, there's a lot of, well, I ain't gonna say a lot, but there's some exchange you can use. But I think if you use BitMax, you have to use a VPN. I live in the United States and I use jafx.com. Tim, if you don't have this course, it will basically show you everything step by step. So pick that up. Right now is a discount, 50% off. When I get off, it's going to be 210. So if you don't have that, it will show you everything step by step. But we are using jafx.com. Let's see if I see any more questions. Keith says 77 resistance level will be waiting. Yeah. But even if it breaks the 68 level, that doesn't mean that don't, you know, it don't mean it's a green light for Bitcoin. A lot of people think that when it breaks the 68 level, that's a green light. It doesn't mean it's a green light. We have to wait to see how it breaks it, right? It has to break it and then hold that level, okay? Has to break it and hold that level. Because if it break it just a little bit and continue to go down, then to me that's weak. But we'll see. Like I said, we'll see. But yes, 77, you know, we could go to 77. It's still, to me, is hard. Because, you know, to me, this market is weak. But, you know, yeah, it's a possibility. Definitely a possibility. Mr. Sandy said, I'm shocked about making money. Sandy said, I'm shocked about making money either way out of the matrix. So shout out to Mr. Sandy. Mr. Sandy, basically, he's actually making money in, you know, both ways, whether the market's going up or down. So shout out to him. Let's see if I see any else. Where are you looking to short BTC? Right now, I'm not looking to short if I see something in this area, see weakness in this area right here, I might take a small position. And the reason why, you know, it's gonna be small because, you know, we can break the 68 level. But I definitely want to see if it could break this level. But if I see weakness, weakness, you know, it's definitely something I might look into. Maybe take a small position. But overall, you know, we notice that every time we have these pops, sometimes the market doesn't go up that much. It pulls back. Okay. So we'll see though. You said how Bitconnect is still, I don't know. Monster said, is crypto dead? 1 trillion seems so easy last year. This year, not so much. Oh, man. So far it's dead, Monster. So far, this year it's been dead. But dead doesn't mean anything, Monster. If you know how to make this money, Monster, you can still make this money right now, today. Okay, Monster? So don't think that it's dead. A lot of people think it's dead, right? A lot of people lost hope, but there's still a lot of money to be made. A lot of people don't understand that, you know. My channel is small, so, you know, I only could reach a few people, but at the same time, a lot of people are leaving a lot of money on the table because they don't understand how to make money both ways. So let's go back. And if you are new to my channel, if you have any questions, let me know. I will answer it. I will definitely get to it. If you are new to my channel, let me know. Smooth. So Sam said, hey Ben, just bought your course, man. Is it how do you think the institutional money affect the market, and will the ICO and all the ICOs that came out to help crypto space? Shout out to space, guys. Shout out to Sam. Sam basically bought this course. He wants to learn how to become a professional. So if you are new to my channel, this is a discount right now, 50% off. When I go off a live stream, it's going right back up. So shout out to Sam. Let me hit that cha-ching button one more time. He wants to learn how the market works because that's the only way you can actually make money. Learning how things work. This is why you see a lot of people, you know, are having a hard time seeing this market go down because they don't understand what's going on. And they don't understand you can still make money right now. So shout out to Sam. Thanks a lot for supporting the channel. Thanks a lot for getting the course. Let's see. So he said what I think about. Let me see. Sam said what I think about the institutional money affect the market. So Sam, what I think about the big dogs coming through, I don't think they're gonna come through like most people say. I don't think they're gonna come through. Okay. Put like this: no time soon. No time soon. Shout out to Randy. I don't know if Randy is I don't know if Randy is actually on this live stream. Shout out to him. He actually sent me a video today. Because I was looking at that video. But I'll get to that right now. I mean, after this. So this is the talk of the town right now, guys. This is the talk of the town. BlackRock, you know, a lot of people talking about how they're exploring cryptocurrencies. Okay, and we went over yesterday how the news is, you know, is just a whole bunch of, you know, guys that manipulate everything. Okay, so we went over how the news is just it's not a reliable source. Okay. So that's why when I read news, I just look at it and then, you know, continue to do whatever I'm doing, because I know that the news is sometimes full of crap. Okay, so this is the talk of the town right now. Most people actually are happy. They're saying that, okay, these guys, they manage $6.3 trillion, so that's good for the crypto space if these guys get in or exploit it, whatever the case is. But you know, this could be just anything. Okay, they could just, you know, they might not even explore the cryptocurrencies. Okay, but I'm here to tell you guys that these guys on Wall Street, I told you this yesterday. These guys on Wall Street, the way they think about cryptocurrencies, you know, they don't. I told you that they don't like them. They really don't like cryptocurrencies. Okay. No matter how much you hear about these, you know, big guys coming through and looking to get into cryptocurrencies, you have to understand these guys are managing billions of dollars, and you have this guy managing trillions of dollars. So you have to understand these guys are one of these, you know, these guys are the smartest guys on the planet, and they will never, ever, ever risk money just to get in a space, just because people are talking about that space. Okay. We talked about this yesterday, and shout out to Randy. I don't know if Randy is here. Shout out to Randy. He actually sent me a video, and I was actually watching this on CNBC. I was watching this on CNBC today, and I was trying to look for this video, but Randy sent me this video. So let's look at this clip real quick. This is this guy Kevin O'Leary. Okay, he has a fund, so he knows what he's talking about. Okay, so let's go and let's play this real quick.
Let's get to crypto. Is this going to be a new avenue of growth for the industry, in your view?
You know,
have you been fielding any inquiries that, hey, Kevin, when are you going to do your own Bitcoin sort of ETF?
No.
Okay.
No. I mean, my take on this is institutional money is not going to go there yet for one basic reason: compliance and the regulatory environment. Until, you know, crypto is intriguing. There's all kinds of green shoots. The Swedish government talking about a coin for the country. The Swiss announcing an exchange for crypto. All this stuff is interesting. But until you know with certainty, if you're an asset allocator and you're running a sovereign fund or you're doing a pension plan for, you know, for some state, you're not going to put a dime into this stuff because the regulator's not on board yet. And we have to wait until that happens. I mean, at the end of the...
Okay, guys. That's all I have to play, because I don't know, my channel might get flagged, but let me just play this clip one more time.
A dime into this stuff, or you're doing a pension plan for, you know, for some state, you're not going to put a dime into this stuff because the regulator's not on board yet.
There we go. So, like I said, I've been talking about this way before I saw this video, because I told you guys I have a friend right now. Okay, I have a friend right now that used to work on Wall Street. He's been trading for 25 years, and we've been talking about crypto. And basically, he told me, you know, how these Wall Street guys feel about crypto. And the same way Kevin O'Leary said, these guys are not going to put a dime in it, is just the same way I've been telling you guys for the longest. This is how these guys think, because you have to understand, these guys are managing billions of dollars, right? They have great relationships with their clients, and they're not going to risk money just because, you know, the hype of, you know, of cryptocurrencies. Just like Kevin said, just like Kevin O'Leary said, this thing has to be regulated first. And I've been telling you guys way before I saw this video. I've been telling you guys, most of you guys don't even, you know, probably listen to me anyway. But I've been telling you guys that these stupid news stories that you read all the time, these news stories are just that. They's news. These big dogs is not going to come in the market because this market is too dangerous for them. Okay? They're not going to risk billions of dollars, and they're not going to risk the relationships that they have with their clients just to get in a risky asset like cryptocurrency. So for you guys that think that the institutional money is going to save Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, just relax, guys. It's going to, first of all, we have to wait to things settle down first. We have to wait to things continue to go down. And also we have to wait until, everything becomes, regulated. So don't think that the money is going to just shoot in. I've been in this game too long to know what's going on. That's why I shake my head every single time when I come on YouTube and I listen to these guys talking their nonsense. Right? And this is the talk of the town. Right? If you read this article, right? Just read the words, right? How they use the words, right? Exploring, okay? Exploring can mean anything. Right? Exploring can mean anything. Listen to the words that they use. Okay? It doesn't say, guys, they are getting into cryptocurrencies, they about to trade it, they about to do anything, you know what I'm saying? So for you guys that get hyped just because you read the news, you need to chill out, okay? And you need to take this serious because you've been losing money ever since January. You've been trying to buy these dips. You probably don't have no more money left right now to buy any more dips. And you need to just study this market, understand how it works, understand how professionals make money. Okay, professionals don't get hype off of news stories. I don't care about news stories at all. Okay, I do this full time. I don't make no money based on news. Okay, I do this full time. I don't make no money based on news. I go on my chart. I look at the charts. I see what's going on. Then I make my decision because the charts tell me everything I need to know. So for you guys that get caught up with the news stories, enough is enough. Be careful, because that's a dangerous game to fall. I mean, dangerous game to play, because most of you guys just want to follow people just because they have 100K subscribers, right? And you have people on YouTube that always dedicate their channel to the news, right? Read everything word by word, right? They go to these news sites, they read it word by word. They're not giving you any new content or any content of their own. They just reading some words that someone else printed, and they trying to sound like a genius, right? But that's not how you make money, guys. And this is why a lot of people get tricked, right? We get tricked right here when the market goes up. We had that SEC meeting. Oh my gosh, the bulls is here, guys. Okay. And you get wiped out. Then you have this double bottom right here, guys. The double bottom's here. Okay. So that's why you have to understand what's going on in this market. These guys is not going to risk billions of dollars just because the hype of cryptocurrencies. These guys are very intelligent. They make money for a reason, and you have to understand that. So don't think that the big dogs is going to save us. Don't think the ETF is going to save us. It doesn't work like that. I wish it did, but it doesn't. I know a lot of people, saying, "Hey Ben, what why are you saying why are you saying this for?" I'm not saying anything. I'm just telling you how things work. Okay, the same way Kevin basically just broke it down to you. I've been telling you guys that for the longest. So let's go back to see if I see any questions. Let's go back to see if I see any questions. Glenn said the course will open your mind. Shout out to Glenn. Thanks a lot. I'm reading these comments, so give me a second, baby. Give me a second, guys. Let's see if I go on. Let's see if I see anything. James said, Ben, after your course, I learned how to read the charts. I made 20. I made 2,300 going long. Shout to him, and I will go short once BTC reach 6,800 because the same old song. So shout to James, guys. James made $2,000, 300 from going long, and now he's looking to make money on the short side. So shout to James. Good to see that, James. Good to see you making this money. Let me copy and paste that testimonial. So let's go back. Monster said, thanks for the response. No problem. And let me close this out. Benjamin said, do you think a short right now is too risky? Like I said before, you know, if a setup comes, depending on how it looks, I might take a small position. But that's just me. I don't want nobody to follow me, you know, because this could be, we can break this top because it's a strong possibility we can break the 68 level. Okay, because if it broke this channel, and reversed right back, most likely we're gonna go to the high. So I might take it, I might not, I might, you know, wait to see if we could break this high, but all depends on how the sellers come in, around here. But we'll see. But like I said, I'm not giving nobody financial advice. This is entertainment only. Let's see if I see any. Sean said, how many hours is the course? I don't know, Sean. But it's definitely doable if you listen it, you know, for a day, maybe 4 hours. But it doesn't matter how long this course is. This course will show you how to basically make this money. So let me go back. Daniel said, Ben, how long do you think this could go on in this bear market? We will see the 700 range in Bitcoin again. You know, anything is possible, Daniel. Anything is possible. How long will this last? Man, this thing could last for a long time, Daniel. The last one just to get back to the highs, it took 5 years, Daniel. It took 5 years just to get back to the highs. The last crash that we had. Okay, so you know, this one could be even worse because we're dealing with a lot more, and it went up even more. Okay, it went up even more. So you know, it could take longer than 5 years. Let's go back to see some other questions. Bruno said, are you going to get your courses on Udemy? What do you mean by that? Are you going to get your course on Udemy? No, I'm not. Last time I checked on Udemy, they selling their course for $10. $10, $20. I mean, honestly, I shouldn't be selling this for 110. I'm giving someone, you know, on the live streams, I'm giving you guys a discount. I'm trying to give you guys a break. But I should be selling this for $500. Okay? So no, I'm not gonna put it on Udemy because that's just a crowd that just want things for cheap. Let's see if I go back. Savage said, hey Ben, do you think Bitcoin can hit 1K? That would be great on many levels. Yes, I can see Bitcoin hitting 1K. Definitely see that. Let me see. Smooth said they already said they like blockchain but not crypto. Exactly. Exactly. Savage says the greatest transfer. Yeah, you know, that's why, and also they probably didn't benefit from this up move. Buddy, no, I never heard of it. I check it out though. I check it out. I check it out. Julio said, Ben, I'm officially on the sidelines. Yeah, it's cool. Right now, being on the sidelines is actually a good thing to do. I'm not telling nobody to short right now. You don't have to short right now. Honestly, it's probably best to wait for this thing to break. As if it breaks, but you know, wait for this thing to break the 68 level and see what's going on right there. So yeah, Julio, you're doing the right thing. Flex said, aren't the ETFs regulated? Yes, but Bitcoin in the crypto space is not regulated. The same way you have the Bitcoin futures, but you still have cryptocurrencies. This space alone is not regulated. So what the ETF does is basically mirrors what's going on with Bitcoin. What's going on, Ken? Shout out to Ken. I don't know if Randy's in this building. Shout out to Randy too. Savage said, "I listen to you, bro." Shout out to Savage. Ken said, "I have to go. Good night, man. Good night, Ken." Shout out to Ken. So Hawk said, "Can I get the course during this chat?" Yeah, you can get it. You can get it right now. It's the discount, so that's the best time to get it because once I get off, it's gonna be 210. So let me copy and paste the link if you don't have it, Hawk. Hawk, here's the link right here. Here's the link, and let me know if you have any problems. Basically, when you hit buy now, you can actually go through PayPal. You can pay. You can probably pay if you have a PayPal. You can pay with that, or you can pay with your debit or your credit. So shout out to Hawk. What's going on 9/11? What's going on 9/11? Josh said, I'm thankful to find your channel. Shout out to John. Been practicing after your course, hoping to pull the trigger soon. Yeah, Josh, don't you know? That's you know you have to practice. So you don't have to rush. There's nothing wrong with practicing. So shout out to Josh, and shout out to you for supporting the channel, Josh. Thanks a lot. Monster said, I saw all my Tron at 8 level. Do you think Tron has enough potential to do so well? See, the whole thing with Tron is not Justin Sun's fault. It's not Justin Sun's fault. Justin Sun is actually a very, very good marketer. Right? He knows what he's doing, and he probably has a lot of connections. That's why that's why the coin is at top 10, top 11. So he probably have a lot of connections. He's a very good marketer. So it's not his fault that the coin is going down. It's just, unfortunately, everything follows Bitcoin for the most part. So, so if this thing, Bitcoin continue to go down, Tron's going to go down with it. So, me personally, I'm not looking to buy anything. I'm looking for the whole market to bottom out. before I even look to buy anything, or I had to look for the bulls to come in. Let's see. Who said I'm studying the course? Lance said studying the course. Shout out to Lance. Shout out to Lance. He's studying the course, and that's trust me, that's a good thing to do, guys. A good thing to do, because that's the only way you're going to, go to the next level. By studying and basically getting familiar with everything. Let's see if I see anything. Triforce said, I don't think it will even break 68, in my opinion. That's a possibility, Triforce. Let's go to 4 hour real quick. Yeah, it's definitely a possibility. Like I said, we can make a double top right here, maybe chop around. Let me see. We might not even wait for August 10th. I'm just giving you a scenario. I'm just giving you, what could happen. We can actually do a pump, some type of buy the rumor, sell the news type of situation. They probably really want to pump this thing up until August 10th. And then slam this thing down. Or we might not even make it past 68, like Triforce said. We might not even make it past 68. Because guys, I mean, let's keep it real. Every time we see a green bar like this that pops up like this, it's followed by selling. A lot of sells follow that green bar. So, the way it looks, it might not even make it to 68 or pass it. But we'll see. Like I said, we'll see. The volume is still low. Yeah, first time we saw 2 billion, July 14th. That was horrible right there. So Tony said, hey man, how do I buy the course? So Tony, basically, I just copy and paste the link. I copy and paste the link. If you don't have it, I'm gonna copy and paste it again. When you copy and paste it, when I copy and paste it, only thing you have to do is click buy now. You could go through PayPal, and you could either pay through your debit or credit. So shout out to, who's that asked me? Tony. Shout out to Tony. Shout out to Tony. So let's see if I see any questions. And shout out to anybody that's new to my channel. If you have any questions, please let me know. I'm not one of these YouTubers that just talk and and don't answer questions. I try to answer questions. So So Hawk said, I just purchased. Do you have Telegram or a chat group? No, not right now. Not right now, Hawk. Shout out to Hawk. Hawk just got the score, so shout out to Hawk. Hawk, if you have any questions, let me know. You can email me, Hawk. Shout out to Hawk. He got the course. If you have any questions, Hawk, you can email me. Okay. But no, not right now. I don't have a chat group right now. Tony said, if I pay, can I just give you crypto? Tony, if you want to pay with crypto, Tony, if you want to pay with crypto, you have to email me. So let me give you my email address, Tony. So Tony, I just gave you my email address if you want to pay with crypto. I understand that you don't have a credit card or debit. If you have a debit card, it'll work. But if you don't have any of those, I understand that. And a lot of people basically paid me with crypto before. So, yeah, email me, Tony. Email me. And as soon as I get off this live stream, I will email you back. But shout out to Hawk. Shout out to Hawks. Flex said Tron is going to Coinbase on July. Ah, that's funny. That's funny. Who said that? I don't forget who said that. That's funny. Yeah, Coinbase already released the potential coins. Fisherman said, "What is the sign of the bulls coming in market? What's the first sign? Shoot, the first sign is we gotta see crazy selling. We haven't really saw crazy selling yet. The market just been going down. I want to see volume. I want to see volume coming in. I want to see the big boys step in the market. Let me see if I see any questions. And if you are new to my channel, if you have any questions, let me know. Let me see if I see any questions now. I'm reading these comments. Ace said hit the likes. Ace said hit the likes. Yeah, shout out to Ace. Yeah, hit the likes, guys. Smash the likes. If crypto investing said, "Oh, the bulls is back." No, it's just a pullback. It's just a pullback. The bulls have to do high. Have to go higher than this for me to turn bullish and to make money on the upside. Monster said, "What is exactly your course entail?" Well, everything. If you go and read this right here, it will basically tell you everything. Okay, this course is strictly for people that want to become a professional. Okay, so I will show you patterns. I will show you how to predict short-term prices. Show you how how to make money when the market's going down. Basically, how identify a trending market, a range market, when to enter, when to exit, stop loss. I show you about a lot of stuff. How to build wealth, how to read the charts properly. We talk about the 6 levels of investors, how to draw trend lines, a lot of stuff. Okay. This is only for people that want to become professional. If you have a 9 to 5, it doesn't matter. If you have a 9 to 5, this still can work for you. And if you live in the United States, it still work for you. So I forgot who asked that question, but shout out to you. I think it was Monster. So shout out to Monster. Hey, what's going on, Bambino? So Fisherman said, what kind of volume do I want to see? I want to see at least 9 to 10 to 11, 12 billion. So if you look at what was going on back in January, if you look at the volume, basically, hold on, what's going on here? What is this, Bitcoin? Sheesh, I don't know what just happened. I'm trying to show you January real quick. Hold on. All right, so this is even December. Okay, you see how This is last year, December. You see how we got 14 billion, 16, 22, 16, 22, 11, 10, 13, 12, 16. This is January right here. 16, 10, 21, 23, 18, 15. That's the real players, the real big players in the market. Not 3 billion. Actually, we hit 2 billion. First time I saw 2 billion ever since we was in this bear market. 2 billion, 3 billion, 3 billion, 3 billion, 4 billion. So to me, that's just weak. That's enough. So I need to at least see either 10 or 11. But trust me, guys, when you trust me, guys, when the bottom comes, most likely you're not gonna even know it. Most likely you're not gonna even know it. This is how good these guys are. This is how good these guys are. I told you this game is strictly for people that are willing to basically, you know, willing to go along with the ride, because this game is not easy as most people think it is. And that's why you have to study the charts. Study the major trend. Stop trying to go against the trend. When the bottom comes, it's not going to be obvious. Okay, it's not going to be a news. It's not going to be a certain news that comes out. It's not going to be none of that stuff. It's not going to be a triple bottom. It's gonna come when you probably turned your back on crypto. So that's how things work. I've been in this game too long to understand, you know, how this market works. So let's see if I see any questions. Leonardo said, I just came in, Bitcoin going down. Right now Bitcoin is going up, but we looking at these resistance line. So yes, overall, don't get it twisted. Overall, we are in the bear market. Okay, I don't get hype just because I see pullbacks. You know, pullbacks is just how the market works. Yes, overall, we still in the bear market. It's just that, you know, we have some fake buyers coming in, right? And it's a possibility we can do a double top here, or go to these resistance line. Okay, so we have 7,000, then we have 77. Those are the two major ones right there. It might not even get to 77. So let's see if I see any questions before I get out of here. It's about to be 10 o'clock where I'm at. I live in the East Coast. And plus, I have to do some studying. I have to go over some charts. Over some charts in the stock market. Shout out to you guys, though. Thank you for, you know, coming through. Let's see if I see any questions. If you are new to my channel, let me know if you have any questions. I will get to it. Andrino, I think I'm saying that right. I don't understand your statement. As from you yesterday till the next 6 months, I don't understand that. I really don't understand what you're trying to say. Bambino said, for the people that apparent, yes, he said for the people that are, what is that word? Okay, parents, I don't know how to say that word. He said, I bought this course on Mondays, study every day, and made $230 on a short on Friday. Okay, and I'm a full-time student and I have a job, so you can make some profit. So guys, he's talking about this course right here. He said he's a full-time student and he has a job and he made $230 on Friday. Okay. So let's go back. Let's see if I see any questions. You said that's a very precise answer you gave, or not knowing when you bottom. What do you look for? I don't look for a bottom, fisherman. When things bottom out, I don't look for bottoms. I don't look for bottoms or tops. So I don't know. I don't know. When the bottom is going to come. So I don't look for it. When I day trade, I understand tops and bottoms because that's day trading. But when you're dealing with with the higher time frames, it's a little bit different because you never know. Because overall, I mean, we had people probably don't even know that we had multiple chances to reverse. Okay, people was claiming that this V bottom right here was the bottom. Okay, claiming that this was the bottom right here, and then they claimed that this double bottom was the bottom. So all these things are reversal signs, right? V bottom, double bottoms. That's, a potential reversal, but at the same time, if you understand that a bear market is very volatile and it basically it keeps going, then you know that it doesn't matter what type of reversal pattern that you see, most likely it will fail. Okay, so right now we have this inverse head and shoulder that a lot of people is talking about that, and like I said, most likely this thing will fail because we are in a bear market. Bullish patterns don't work good actually. Bullish patterns don't work good in a bear market. Yeah, so Bambino said yes, he made $230 on that short on Friday. For the people that's complaining, oh my God, I don't have time, guys, it's not about time. I told you we are playing the long-term charts. You just have to study the charts and learn how to read the charts and see what's going on. So if you don't have this course, definitely check it out. It's a discount right now. When I get off, it's going right back up. Let's see if I see any questions though, because I'm definitely getting tired. I got to study some charts when I get off. Yeah, guys, I don't look for bottoms. Okay, so when the market try to bottom, I don't look for any bottoms at all. I'm not in the business for looking at bottoms or top. I'm in the business to make money from major trends. Richie said, how long is the course? I will be able to read these charts easily because right now I suck and it's irritating. I want to learn. Yes, Richie, this is very easy. If you go, if you just read this chat, well, it's probably too late to read the chat room, but people in the chat room can tell you that they just started out, and this thing is very simple. I made it like that. Okay, I made it for guys that I know that don't understand the market. I made it very, very simple. I know that some of you guys see some of these YouTubers, right? Some guy named, what's his name? Tone Vase. I was looking at one of his charts the other day, and he's talking about some 9s and 8s and 7s. I don't know what he's talking about. So I can see why some of you guys are saying like, oh my gosh, this thing looks too complicated, you know? So yeah, I can understand why some of you guys probably think it's complicated, but no, I trust me, I made it very easy for people to understand. That's why you see people that really didn't understand how to read the market come here and say that they are making money. It's because of that. So shout out to who was that asked the question? I forgot who. I think it was Richie. So shout out to Richie. Like I said, Richie, if you read these comments in the live stream, they would basically tell you. So shout out to Richie. Let me see if I see any more questions before I get out of here. Like I said before, guys, if you are new to my channel, if you have any questions, let me know. I'm not one of these guys out here that just want to talk. I don't want to name no names, but I'm quite sure you know who they are. Let's see if I see any more questions. Yeah, Richie, Richie, I don't know if you're still here, Richie, but it seems like people answer your question already. So I don't know if you're still here, but it seems like people answer your question already. So shout out to the people that's here answering the questions. Shout out to Keith, shout out to 45. Dom said he's going to be out. Yeah, I'm about to be out too, guys. I'm about to be out soon. I'm gonna see if Bruce said, is this course PDF? No, this course is video. Bruce, who's that? Bruce? Yeah, Bruce. No, this course is strictly video. I'm not a PDF guy. Okay, I like to do video because writing takes too long for me. Let me see. Buddy said, man, how do I get a highlighted blue wrench? Okay, I got you right now, buddy. You just got it, buddy. Okay. If you don't see it right now, buddy, if you don't see it right now, when we go to the next live, you would get it. Because I remember I gave someone the blue wrench and they didn't see it until the next live. So shout out to Buddy. I just gave you a blue wrench. So shout out to you. Yes. If you have Kraken, yes, 9/11. Triforce said, yes, I'm gonna study some charts myself. Yup, that's how it is, man. That's how it is, kid. You know, you have to study. I gotta look at some stocks. Some charts. But yeah, guys, I'm about to get out of here. Like I said, it seems like all the new guys don't have no more questions. So I'm probably about to get out of here. Thanks for everybody for stopping by. I appreciate it. I appreciate everybody. Philip said this is a pump. You know, that's why people have to just learn. You know, they have to learn from, I guess some people just have to learn from their mistakes. You know, look at this bar, guys. Look at this bar right here. compared to this bar right here. Okay, look at this bar right here, this green bar right here, compared to this bar right here. Okay, that green bar is way bigger than this bar. And look how this green bar went up, and we still went back down with this green bar. Okay, so this is how the bear market works. This is how the bear market works. It fools you, it tricks you to believe that this is the bottom, and it goes up a little bit, right? It goes up a little bit, but eventually it comes right back down. And if you notice, guys, you know, every pullback ever since January, right, we've been dropping. Every pullback is getting smaller. So we have a pullback right here, right? Then we have the second pullback, the major pullback. Okay, so we're gonna have another pullback now. Okay, so this pullback most likely is gonna be smaller because every single pullback is getting smaller. So we might hit the 77 level, and then, you know, so, you know, like I said, it is what it is. You know, some people just have to learn. But I'm going to get out of here, though. Yeah, no problem, buddy. No problem. Businessman said, I'm not worried. Yo, where Crypto Inspo at, man? Shout out to Crypto Inspo. I don't know where he's at. If you are watching, let me know. But guys, I'm about to get out of here. Thanks for your time. Thank you for watching me. Like I said before, as soon as I get off, it's going back to 210. So if you don't have that, definitely check that out. Let me copy and paste that before I go. Just read the testimonials if you are skeptical, or read the chat room. But yeah, guys, thanks a lot, Chris. Yeah, thanks a lot, Chris. Thanks for supporting the channel, guys. For everybody that, you know, supported the channel today, that got the course. Thanks a lot for, you know, getting this course and learning. You know, showing you, just basically giving yourself some more knowledge so you can actually take advantage of this market. A lot of people are just waiting and losing money. Okay. And we are making money right now as we speak. So shout out to you guys. Thank you for coming through, and thank you for chilling with me tonight. And who else? Yeah, no more questions. So like I said, I'm about to be out, guys. Exactly. So shout out to Businessman 911, Buddy 45, Chris 911, Businessman, Keith Phillips. Everybody that's here, guys. Mr. Sandy. Everybody that's here. I can't name everybody. Triforce. It's getting late. I'm getting tired. I got to actually answer some emails. Some people want to play crypto. So let me get out of here. Shout out to Bruce. Shout out to everybody that supported, guys. Thanks a lot. Appreciate it. And like I said, you know, it's all about just learning how things work. And once you learn how things work, these guys can't fool you no more. Okay, I told you guys, this market is very grimy. We are in a grimy market. Okay, and this is not just crypto. It's just not crypto. This is how the stock market is too. The stock market is grimy too. So guys, talk to you guys later. Make sure you study and have a good day. Actually, a good night.